All right, so today in this center, we are going to work as a team to solve multi-step long division problems, okay? So our objective today is, as a team, we're going to identify, that's our Bloom word, and solve long division problems. Can I have one of you come up to that board and write the objective for me, Rosie? Why don't you go up and write it? While you're writing it, why don't you say it to your friends? So today, as a team, we will, what was that Bloom's word? Identify and solve the steps to long division. Now today this should be kind of a review for you guys because we've been working on long division all year. Long division problems. Okay, and then can you read that objective to your friends, Rosie? Beautiful. Thanks, Rosie. So before we do this, we first need to talk about what are the steps. Does anyone know what the first step to long division is? What's the first step? Rosie? Division. So that's going to be Rosie's job for our first problem. Rosie's going to be the divider. Okay? Thanks, Rosie. What's the next step? We have divide. Divide, multiply. So Mario, that's going to be you. M for multiply, and Mario, that works. What's next? Divide, multiply, subtract. You're going to be Mr. Subtractor. Divide, multiply, subtract, and what's the last one? Pull down. Okay? So today it's going to be kind of, like I said before, a team approach. Each of you are going to have a different job for every problem. For one problem, you might be the divider. For another problem, you might be the subtractor. We're going to try to switch it up. And hopefully, within the amount of time we have, we can each try a problem with a different job. Okay? So the first problem we're going to do, I'm going to do it first for you guys. Then we're going to do it. And then you guys are going to do it. Okay? So, let's see. Just as a little review, why don't we do 218, oops, that's not a pretty 8, divided by 7. Alright. Is 7 going to 2?
No.
No. So whoever the divider is, this is going to be your job. Let's pretend I'm the divider. Can I see the D? Alright, I'm the divider right now. Okay, so I'm kind of coming up here and I'm saying, I know 7 can't go into 2. Oh, but I know 7 going to 21. How many times can 7 go into 21? 3. Okay, so that would be the divider's job. Now who would come up? Multiplier. Can I see your card? I'm going to do the first one first, Mario. Then I'm going to have you guys do it, okay? Multiplier. Multiplier is going to come up and then you're going to say, oh, 3 times 7 is? 21. Now who would come up? Where's the subtractor card? I'm going to pretend I'm the subtractor. And the subtractor will come up and say, 21, take away 21. Oh, I know that's 0. Now who would come up? Pull down. I pull down the 8. Completed my job. Now whose job? Who's up? Divider. How many times does 7 go into 8?
Once.
Your job is done. Nice job. Who's next? Who's the multiplier? Do you guys see it? So you're each going to have a different job to every problem. We're going to do it as a team. So the multiplier says 1 times 7 is?
7.
Okay. Who's got the last job? Okay. 8 take away 7 is? 1. Do we have anything to pull down?
Yes. No, there's a remainder.
So there's a remainder 1. Now I know that time I did it all by myself, but in a minute you guys are going to do it as a team. Do we understand? Awesome. All right, we ready for our first problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do 488 divided by 9. So who's up first? Not all of you can't be up first. There's only one person up. And what's your job, Rosie? Okay, now Rosie, I want you, while you're doing your job, to talk out loud. Tell us what you're doing, tell us what you're thinking.
Alright, so my job is to see if I can go into 4. It can't, so you have to see if it can go into 48, the next digit.
Nice job.
9 goes into 48.
Awesome. Thanks, Rosie. Now tell us what you're thinking. What's your job? Who are you? Hi, multiplier. How are you?
Good.
What do you need to do?
1.9 into 5.
Not 9 into 5, 9 times 5, right? What do you get?
45.
All right, and your job is done here. Pass the pen to someone else. Who's up? My subtractor.
So, subtract 45 from 48, 48 from 45.
Yep.
And there's 3 left over.
So Wilson said he needs to subtract 45 from 48, and you're going to get... All right, your job is done. Who's up next? Miss Pull Down. Awesome. Who's up?
Me.
Good teamwork. Pay attention, because you don't know how quickly your stuff's going to come up.
Right? 9 goes into 38, and it would be 4 times.
Awesome. And again, I like how you're thinking out loud.
9 times 4, which is 36. That's why.
All right. Who's up? Someone's up.
I'm up. So you subtract
Now you're down.
36, 38.
Whoops.
Yep.
Yep.
The biggest number goes at the top.
All right, so this one we did together, right? The next one you're going to do as a team. I'm not going to help you this time, okay? What are you going to do with that tube? Let it just hang out, or what are you going to do? There you go. Awesome. Can you read us the answer?
54.
Beautiful. Awesome job, guys. You ready to do one as a team now? Just you? All right. All right. Now, before we move on to our next problem, I want you to switch your job with someone else. A job that, maybe think about a job that sometimes the step you forget about when you're solving these multi-step problems, because I know sometimes it's hard to remember all 4 steps. So maybe think of a step that you have a hard time with, that you'd like to work on today. All right. We do 429 divided by 6. All right. Go ahead, team.
So 6 can go into 4, so 6 can go into 42. 7 times.
Team's talking, you know. You knew she was up. You could have told her.